We are going to eat at the sugar factory. So we're looking for it. It's on the strip. Here you go. There's a cute little duck. Sugar factory, yay! This is where we're headed, which is called the sugar factory. Right here where the duck is. Yes, it's the sugar factory. Never been here before. Look at the fire at the tables. Pretty cool. Pretty cool. And we actually have reservations. Hello. Yeah, we have reservations for the sugar factory. We found it.
And we made it already. No, because we're about to eat.
And we made it in plenty of time, huh, Ella?
Yes.
Because we didn't miss our reservations. Our appetizers at the sugar factory, and I guess a lot of celebrities, actors, and actresses come here, and this place is packed. But this is our, looks like hot wings. And this is our appetizer.
Yummy.
Yummy, Ella.
Yes.
Yeah. Thank you, Levi.
Talk to us about your milkshake.
So I like it. It has a candle that's blue and it has a cupcake.
You want to blow out the candle? Ooh. Look at the donut. The donut said, ooh. Want to take a bite of the donut?
Yeah.
Did you see how thick that chocolate is just on your
I take
glass?
wax. I need to take a photo first.
It's about a quarter of
Okay, so after the donut?
Yeah. No, I mean just the chocolate they put on the glass.
Ah, she ate it!
Exact cup, but that's
Delicious?
one side's covered in chocolate.
And donut and cookie. Wow.
We had a delicious dinner. They made it a complete and total experience. Now we're outside walking off some of that great food, trying to stay awake. And look what we have here. And it's tall, great big suckers. And coming into the park, the little, with the Ferris wheel, no. Yeah, what is that? A merry-go-round, not a Ferris wheel. And a super cool sucker butterfly, all the beautiful suckers. And usually it's all lit up. Candy canes, all the beauty, the gazebo. Look at this. The gazebo and the duck. The duck says sugar factory and all the tulips. Very, very pretty. And look at, they have their lights on over there. See, look at different colored lights to light up the flowers. This is pretty amazing, pretty special. Right up there is Trump International. So it's a Trump Tower. Look at that. I wanted to be sure I got Trump and the T on the end there. See? Now, I'll bring it down. There, you can see it. There. Amazing, huh? All the way down. And here it says across the street there, it says Trump International. See? Right there. Pretty cool. Okay, we had a wonderful evening. Perfect end to a beautiful day. We're going home.